Hello. Ready to sound like a pro in German conversations? Let's dive into 25 essential phrases that will get you speaking with confidence. Don't forget to repeat after me for extra practice. Let's start with the basics. 1. Hello, which means hello. Repeat after me. Hello. Great job. 2. Wie geht's, which means how are you? Your turn. Repeat after me. Wie geht's? Very good. 3. Sehr gut, danke, which means very well, thank you. Please repeat after me. Sehr gut, danke. Well done. Ordering food or drinks? No problem. 4. Bitte, which means please. Repeat after me. Bitte. Excellent. 5. Danke, which means thank you. Please repeat after me. Danke. Nice work. 6. Ich hätte gern einen Kaffee, bitte, which means I'd like a coffee, please. Your turn. Repeat after me. Ich hätte gern einen Kaffee, bitte. You're doing amazing. Lost in a new city? Try these. 7. Wo ist die Toilette? Which means, where is the bathroom? Repeat after me. Wo ist die Toilette? Awesome. 8. Wie viel kostet das? Which means, how much does it cost? Your turn. Repeat after me. Wie viel kostet das? Great pronunciation. 9. Ich brauche Hilfe, which means I need help. Please repeat after me. Ich brauche Hilfe. You're doing great. Making friends is easy with these. 10. Woher kommen Sie? Which means where are you from? Repeat after me. Woher kommen Sie? Fantastic. 11. Ich heiße, which means my name is. Please repeat after me. Ich heiße. Perfect. 12. Schön, Sie kennenzulernen, which means nice to meet you. Your turn. Repeat after me. Schön, Sie kennenzulernen. Way to go. And here are some handy quick phrases. 13. Ja, which means yes. Please repeat after me. Ja. Nice work. 14. Nein, which means no. Your turn. Repeat after me. 9. spot on. 15. Entschuldigung, which means excuse me. Repeat after me. Entschuldigung. Great effort. 16. Es tut mir leid, which means I'm sorry. Your turn. Repeat after me. Es tut mir leid. Excellent. 17. Alles gut, which means it's okay. Please repeat after me. Alles gut. You're crushing it. Now to impress at a party or event. 18. Prost, which means cheers. Your turn. Repeat after me. Prost. Very nice. 19. Ich mag es, which means I like it. Please repeat after me. Ich mag es. Wonderful. 20. Ich verstehe nicht, which means I don't understand. Repeat after me. Ich verstehe nicht. You're doing amazing. 21. Können Sie das wiederholen? Which means can you repeat that? Your turn. Repeat after me. Können Sie das wiederholen? Keep it up. Finally, wrap up your day with 22. Gute Nacht, which means good night. Please repeat after me. Gute Nacht. Beautiful pronunciation. 23. Auf Wiedersehen, which means goodbye. Your turn. Repeat after me. Auf Wiedersehen. Excellent. 24. Bis bald, which means see you soon. Repeat after me. Bis bald. You're doing great. 25. Danke, dass Sie mit mir gelernt haben, which means thanks for learning with me. Your turn. Repeat after me. Danke, dass Sie mit mir gelernt haben. Fantastic work. Practice these phrases daily and soon you'll be chatting like a local. Explore our other videos in this series for valuable guidance on moving out of the United States in 2025. From detailed insights on the cost of living in various countries and learning essential conversational phrases in a new language to discovering top relocation destinations, navigating the visa process, and much more. We've got you covered. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss when new videos drop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.